Yo, what's going on, you guys? As you can see, we're gonna start the video like this. So far combined, $2,284.23 earned. From working online, making money online. This is all extra money that I can use for whatever I want to, whether it be Christmas gifts for my kids or just taking a vacation with my fiance. Um, I want to let people know that this is real money, you guys. Okay, so I'll go ahead and refresh this page so you guys can see the money hasn't went anywhere. This is real money in my account. Okay, so if I click on affiliates here, you'll see just today, $36. Not much, but like I tell you guys, patience is the key, because if you let your account stack, okay, if you don't touch it, this is why I tell people learn how to make multiple streams of income online or with, shooting videos, doing photography, just something. Always have a side hustle that you don't have to touch, because you can build it to whatever you want it to. So this account I literally don't have to touch, and it piles up day by day, just about every day. So today, just $36. Yesterday, $72. These numbers add up. As you guys can see, I've made $2,200 so far. So the day before that, $73. The day before that, $36, and the day before that, $128. So 347 for that week. Okay, so I'll go back to purchase history, and I'll go to the other side so you guys can see. Uh, the number's still there. Okay, $2,284.23. Okay, so we'll go, let me come out a little bit there. We'll go here. And so right now, I can take out my funds that I have available is $1,208.26. Okay, I can use this money right now. If I want to buy something for Christmas for my kids, or if I want to take my fiance on a beautiful vacation, I can do that. Okay, this money here is pending, and it's going to come over here. So I'll have the full 2,000 here, and then I can do whatever I want with it. But for people who are skeptical about working online, you guys, you can make money online, right? But this account here, um, I'm not trying to touch it until I hit about $10,000. Okay, I can take it now if I want to, but I want to stack my money. Okay, I'm learning how to invest. I'm learning how to be patient, and so once my account hit 10,000, I may take it out. I may not. I may leave it in there till I hit 20 to 30,000. But I want to have that big lump sum of money to do something with, instead of having little pinches of money here and there to spend, and then I have to, start over. So I'm stacking this up, and maybe I'll buy a nice new, car, or maybe I'll just invest it. I don't know what I want to do with it yet, but once it gets there, I mean, you guys are going to continue to see the progress. As you can see, I haven't withdrew anything yet. Okay, I can, but I'm not. I'm not going to withdraw it until I hit about 10,000. Uh, you know, but I want to show you guys that you can, make money online, right? You can do this. Okay, so you need the right, approach on to. You need the right approach on how to do it, because if you don't have the right approach, you will never make it. The first thing you need in this business is motivation, and this sounds so simple, and I know you guys are probably thinking like, no way. Yes, that's literally how it works, because there are going to be days where you start and you don't make no money. Okay, there's a lot of days on this I don't make money. There's a lot of days I make a lot of money. So I don't get discouraged. I just keep going, because I know the end goal. The end goal was to not to work for somebody else for the rest of my life. I want to work for myself. I want to travel and enjoy my life at a young age. That's my goal. So with that being said, I know it's going to take time. So for the people who are working jobs now, find you something to do part-time and continue to work it until you can reap the benefits of not having to go back, until, you know, you can just do this full time, and you can do it, but you have to be patient. It's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take time, but you will get there. But you have to continue to do it. That's why I said stay motivated, because the moment that you don't make money, Whether it's a week or 2 months, if you don't make any money, you will give up. And many people will give up. But me, I won't give up. That's the thing. That's the reason why I figure out different ways to continue to make money and drive traffic every single day. I won't give up. I don't want to go back to a job. I hate it. I don't want to go back to a warehouse job. I don't want to go back to a call center job. That's my motivation right there. I don't want to go back. And when I see people there and they complain all day, and I hear my friends complain all day about going to work, or I don't feel like going to work, I look at myself and I say, I don't want that lifestyle. I'm going to create my own lifestyle, and that's what I do. So you can do it too. If you want to join this business, click the link in the description below this video. Get started today. The best thing you can do is to start. Don't give up and continue to work hard at it, okay? Also, I do have one-on-one coaching for $200. It's a live webinar, me and you face-to-face on a, one-on-one. I'm going over, all the websites I use, everything that I use to make, thousands of dollars online. As you guys can see, if you guys don't know, this is only one of my business. I have at least 5 or 6 businesses online that I do. Okay, so just imagine this $2,200 is just from one business. I make money with other businesses as well. And then I'm also a full-time videographer and photographer. So I make money doing that as well. So you can make that kind of money, but you gotta give it your all. So if you want my $200 training, contact me by email, or, text me. My number's in the description below. If you're ready to join, go ahead and join today. Also, by November, my $200 training will go to $500, and that's as high as it's going to go. So, but it's very valuable stuff, and it's going to get you paid for life. I call it a paid for life training. So take heed and just go hard, man. Go hard every day, and you can make this kind of money. Don't give up, and don't let no one tell you it's not real, because it is very real, okay? All right, see you guys later. Enjoy.